Here we can
that
find
your
company as enabled and rest are disabled. Here we can find new, open, delete, backup, restore, rebuild. Now click on new, adding a new company details, and you need to enter the company information such as company name. Printing name will be defaultly given, else you can modify the print name which will be displayed when you take printout. This is the print name which will be displayed on printer. Financial year beginning, books commencing from, address of the company, IT, PAN number, ward, telephone and fax, and email related to company. Now you will be entering additional information such as country, state. Here you can select the related state. Here one of the feature of BC is multi-currency. You can enter rupees, dollars, any other currency. Currently we are entering rupees. Enabling of VAT, entering the TIN number. This is optional. You can enable VAT. Save the company details. On clicking you will be popped up with the confirmation, yes or no. Click yes to confirm the changes. On clicking the yes, we will be seeing progress bar and the other accounts being created. Finally, the company has been successfully created. This menu, pop-up menu will be displayed. Okay. This is the creation of super user where he will be allowed to log in, create username, password, recheck the password, and finally save. And now you can see all the menus are enabled. See, this is the company menu, administrator menu, configuration, users, transaction menu, sales, purchases, display, balance sheet. Now let us see how to open a company. Here you can create multiple companies, and if there are multiple companies, click on one and click on select. Enter the username, password, and click on OK. On clicking, you will be displayed with main menu where all the menus are enabled. You can't directly close the busy. This pop-up menu will be warning you. You need to go to close, again to company, and exit, where the final window will be open. On clicking, you will be closed. Now let us see administration menu, masters. In this masters account we will be having defaultly three options: add, modify, list. Now let us see how to add an account. On clicking add, you will be having two options: list, paste. On clicking list, you will be seeing all the defaultly created busy accounts under the primary groups. These are all the primary accounts that are being created by busy. These are all the sub accounts. Here you need to specify the name of the account which you are going to create. Assume that we are creating Spurti with alias name SP. Under group, here are the list of primary groups where you need to select one of them. I'm selecting capital account and the opening balance. Now you need to enter all the details related to the information. Few accounts may have details and few may not. It depends upon you and the creation of account, where you will be entering address, telephone number, fax, mobile number, email, contact, IT PAN number, ward number, local sales tax number, central sales tax number, TIN number, and finally you will be saving the account on clicking the save button. The account will be saved. Account group. All this menu will be having only 3 options: add, modify, list. Here we can create any number of accounts. Now we are creating one more account, buildings. Under group, fixed assets, where a pop-up menu will be open asking for depreciation, where you need to enter the rate of depreciation and it will automatically calculate the half year. Then click OK. Now enter the opening balance and the other related information regarding to buildings, and finally click on save. The account will be automatically saved. Now let us see the modify option. If we want to modify an account, select the account from the list and click on select button. Now the full details of the account are displayed, where you can modify and click on save. Your account will be saved. Here you can make changes to other accounts which are pre-defined. Any modification related to address, related to balance can be modified. Now let us see the list option. On clicking the list, you will be having on screen or on printer. If you want to see it on screen, click on screen. On clicking, you will be having 2 more options: alphabetical view and hierarchical view. In alphabetical view, you will be having all accounts and group accounts. Clicking on all accounts, these are all the accounts which are predefined by the BSE, and you can find this is the building account which we have created under the fixed assets, and the account balance, opening balance, and these are all the accounts that have been created. This is one more account which we have recently created with a capital of 1 lakh rupees. Now we shall see the hierarchical view. Under capital account, we will be having Spurti account which we have created with alias name SP. On clicking the fixed assets, will be displayed with all the fixed assets and their opening balances. These are all the fixed assets, buildings. Finally, you can close it. Account group. Click on account group and on add. Here you will be having 4 fields and 2 options. list, paste, and enter the group name. On clicking list, these are all the account groups that are being created by the BUSY, and these are primary and non-primary groups. And the next option is STD narration. Here, clicking on list, we do not find any predefined narrations. Now we have to define our own narrations. Select the voucher type and define your own narration. This helps you to save your time at the time when you enter the sales or purchase narration details. You can create any number of narrations for the same voucher type. Type the narration and click on save. Similarly, you can create for purchases, and there are other vouchers that are displayed here. You can create your own narration for the related voucher type. Now let us see the next option, item and item group. First, you need to create an item group, and later you need to create an item. Now let us see how to create an item master. Type the group name, alias name, and the primary group, whether it is a primary group or non-primary group. Clicking on S, it makes it this is a primary group. Now let us create items. Items can be purchased items or sold items. Once the items are created, they can be entered. Now we are creating an item. Name RAM 128 MB under group computer peripherals. Now you need to enter the main unit details. Units are measured in pieces, opening stock, quantity, and the opening stock value. Item price information, sales price, purchase price, MRP, minimum sale price, and self-value price. Entering these item price information helps you to calculate accordingly when you enter in the vouchers. Item description, you can describe your item within 4 to 5 lines. Sales tax or VAT information, local sales tax and central sales tax. You need to enter the percentage of tax. You can configure the tax. This menu displays the configuration of local sales tax and the central sales tax. You can enable by clicking S and define their own structure. Critical level. Critical level is related to inventory, which wants you the stock level. Material center, we may have more material centers such as godowns, main shop. Here defaultly main store is given and it is stored in main store. Let us create one more item. Here under group, you need to create item group master, unless you can't create other than those groups directly. First you need to create a group master, and later you can create as many items as you need under a single group. Main unit details, unit measure, opening stock quantity, opening stock value, item price information, sales price, purchase price, MRP, minimum sale price, and self value price. Item description, description about the item, sales tax, sales tax or VAT information, set critical level, yes or no. On setting yes, you need to specify 3 different critical levels: maximum level, reorder level and minimum level. You will be specified with 2 options: quantity and number of days. Critical level will tell you stock details and the warning number of days which you need to reorder. Finally, save the changes. These are stored in the material center main